Hi, I'm Victoria, the Progressive Center Summer Student Science Ambassador, and this is my 4th week of at-home science experiments. This week's experiment is all about kinetic and potential energy. You may or may not have heard the terms kinetic energy and potential energy before, but a simple way of putting it is kinetic energy keeps an object in motion, while potential energy is the energy stored in an object before it begins moving. This also connects to Newton's law. An object at rest wants to stay at rest, and an object in motion wants to stay in motion. But we're not going to dig too far into Newton's law today because it gets confusing. I just figured that was useful to know for today's experiment. So, to put this in perspective, if you hold a ball in the air, it has potential energy because it has the potential to drop and hit the ground. And then when you actually release the ball, the potential energy becomes kinetic energy as it moves toward the ground, keeping the object or the ball moving. And then finally, once the ball is still on the ground, it has no kinetic energy or potential energy because it is not in motion and it no longer has the potential to do work. Okay, so now that you have a better understanding of kinetic energy and potential energy, we're going to do a domino effect type experiment. So all you really need for this experiment are popsicle sticks, because we're going to weave them together to create a domino effect, or a chain reaction. First, you're going to take 2 popsicle sticks, and you're going to put them just like this, in an X shape. Make sure you leave the top and the bottom angles so they're a bit bigger than the ones on the sides. Okay. Now take another popsicle stick and weave it over and then under the left side of the X. And keep the corner touching the corner, but bend it a bit more inward on the top. Okay, once you've done that, you're going to take another stick and you're going to do kind of the same thing, but on the opposite side. You're going to weave it over and under and push it in a bit. So you have something like this. Okay, so we're going to do this again on these 2 popsicle sticks sticking out here. Take a stick and go over and under. Okay, so right now there's going to be a lot of tension on your sticks, but that's okay, because that's what's going to trigger the chain reaction. Just be careful to hold down the last stick you put in, otherwise the popsicle sticks will go flying. And again on this side, we're going to go over and under. And again, we're going to alternate sides, over and under. Just like this. Make sure to keep holding down the top of it. The bottom should be pretty stable, but the top, not so much. And again on this side, over and under. You can keep going to make this chain as long as you want. You could make it so it goes around the entire room, or you could just do a short chain like I'm doing here. It also depends how many popsicle sticks you have too. And again, over and under. Opposite side, over, under. My chain's going a bit off the table here, but that's okay, because all the popsicle sticks are holding it in place from this side. If you let go of this side, the popsicle sticks will fly everywhere. Over, under. Oh, it's falling apart a bit here. Try not to pick it up when you do this, because some sticks might slide out and accidentally set it off when you're not ready to set it off. Okay. And again, over under. Okay, I think that's as long as I'm going to do mine. You can pause the video and make yours even longer, as long as you want, but for the purpose of the video, I'm just going to keep it this long. So, what exactly is going on here? Well, all the sticks are holding each other in place from this side. They have the potential to fly everywhere. So currently, they have potential energy. But if I release the sticks, they release that energy, and it becomes kinetic energy. And it causes them to fly everywhere. But now, the sticks are no longer moving. They are, as we would say, at rest. So, they have no potential energy and no kinetic energy. Anyway, that's it for this video. Be sure to tune in next week for another cool science experiment and video. Thanks for watching!